Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing the iPad Pro 11-inch, second generation with 128 gigabytes. Here's the paper. No one really cares about that. So here's the USB-C cord, and that's the brick. Sorry that I'm out of frame. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. But yes, I got mine engraved. Verona Marie, people. Now I know I'm holding it pretty awkward, but I just don't want to get any fingerprints on it before putting on the screen protector. So I decided to get Paper-Like film from Amazon instead of the actual name brand Paper-Like because one, the cost. I mean, $40 for a screen protector, that is ridiculous. Second, I mean, I wouldn't want to spend so much money that might, destroy the tip of my pencil. My Face ID. Right now it's asking for a passcode. So if you're having a hard time putting on your pencil case, all you have to do is just put 2 drops of water inside the pencil case, shake it around, and then shake it out, and then slide in the pencil and it'll fit. The color of my pencil case is a transparent gray. I just love the feeling and the texture of this pencil case. It's just so soft. It feels amazing. So I decided to get the first generation AirPods instead of like the latest one because, this one, it was free, and also like I used a student discount, so I didn't mind it. Plus, I already have my Beats. I love my Beats. Like I can use it for working out and things like that. So, why spend that extra money? Now I love this case because, it keeps my pencil in place and it doesn't flop around like I've seen other cases do. So I just love how it just stays put. Everything's just together and it's very sleek. Thank you for watching this. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and I'll